All right, I'm deciding to try to fix it appropriately. So here we go. So we determined from our experiment earlier that it is in fact a 2-wire sensor, which I've now wired, and I'm gonna attach it and replace the old sensor. See that gold piece right here? This one. I'm gonna take that out, put the new sensor in, and plug that in and see if it works. All right, got the belt pulled off there and got socket attached to the old sensor, so I'm gonna try to get it out now. Okay, here's the new one. This is the kind of connection that I needed, and that's what connects here. So gonna take the old one out now. It's dangling in there right now because it's gonna lose a little bit of coolant when I take it out. So I'm gonna switch this real quick. Okay, new one is threaded, and now I'm gonna tighten it up. Okay, new one is in. Now for the connector. Okay, so here's the connector. So if you remember the last experiment video I did, then you'll remember that I soldered in a resistor back here. You can't even see the yellow wire anymore because there's so little of it. There it is right there. So I had an electrician friend of mine who's comfortable working in tight spaces and not screwing it up first try, do this for me, just splice in the piece of yellow wire that I already had. And the existing black wire was fine. And so now I'm gonna route it over in there so that I can connect this connector. Okay, connected. This very well should be the fix that this thing needed all along. So the best way I found to reach this was to take the belt off of the smog pump pulley and the tensioner, and use the breaker bar to pull the tensioner out of the way so I can get my hand in there. So let's see how it does. I'm gonna try not giving it any gas at all. Gone. And still says low, but that's to be expected. Okay, that sounds like a stronger idle to me. Okay, so conclusion so far, that looks like it fixed it. It's not smoking. I'm letting it warm up. That idle sounds a lot better than the idle that I was dealing with this whole time that I've had the car before. When I had the air cleaner lid off, I could physically look at the injectors and see that it is delivering less fuel than it was previously, so that's really good. Okay, test drive time. Fixed. If you have any suggestions for why it's not showing a readout, let me know, but otherwise I'm pretty happy with that. Woo!